GTA Math, what's up? Today we're going to work on the midpoint formula, and really all it's saying is if you have a line, what's the middle of that line? Very straightforward. So when we do this problem, we're going to simplify it and make it as incredibly easy to digest as we always do, and let's just get straight to it. And I apologize for the hiatus. Um, Real life stuff popped off, so real life came before GTA Math. Even though it was a part of GTA, it was just a different branch of this company that had to take care of some life stuff. So we back in at it. So whenever you're doing a midpoint formula, you always want to make sure you find your x1 and your y1. And they're going to be the same coordinate. So I'm going to call this x1, and then this is going to be y1. That's really a comma, but it's just a terrible one. And then up here, we're going to have x2. It is so challenging writing with this stylus. That's the next investment. So now what we're going to do is put this information into this formula. So we're going to put m equals, and we're going to say, where's our x1? Right here. So we're going to put -4 here, and we're going to find our x2, which is here, and we're going to put +2. And we're really just copying and pasting this entire problem. And then we're going to say, okay, what are our y values? Here's y1. We're going to put y1, which is -2, up here, and we're going to add it to the y2 value, which is 2. So I'm going to just explain it again. In a Cartesian plane, your coordinates are like this: x, y. Our x value is in blue. Our y value is in red. So these are y values. And then the blue stuff is x values. Actually, I don't like that. So that way, moving forward, you have a clearer understanding of why things are working the way they are. So now what we're going to do is take these values and we're going to simplify it. So we have -4 plus 2. That's going to equal -2 divided by 2. And then we have our comma here. And then -2 plus 2 gives us 0. And we have 0 over 2. And then we're going to simplify it even more. Now we're going to say m equals -2 divided by 2, which becomes -1. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So this becomes our midpoint. So what we're saying is, on this graph, -1, 0, man, I wish I could make a better circle, but we're saying -1, 0 is our midpoint. And I'm going to put an M here. This is -1, 0. And that is our midpoint for this problem. GTA Math, I appreciate you for sticking with me, even though I went absent the previous week. Thanks for still showing up, and I appreciate it. And once again, let's continue to make sure we focus on the positive things in life, regardless of how crazy things seem, because everything always gets better. If you don't believe me, I don't know actually, but you should believe me. But anyway, let's continue to learn, love, and grow together on this journey we call life. Things always get better. It just takes time.